Tiara Sport is proud to present this award-winning propulsion package. Twin 7 Marine 527 engines with Volvo electronic vessel controls. This optional package for your 38LS is more than just a powertrain upgrade. It's a helm-to-prop system that elevates your entire boating experience. Volvo Penta EVC combines navigation, engine, and autopilot information to be displayed through Garmin Glass Cockpit. The integration of autopilot with the joystick creates an industry first, outboard joystick driving. Mounted in the armrest, the joystick allows maneuverability control from docking to full speed. This engine package pairs the 7 Marine 527 outboard with the Volvo Penta dual-prop lower unit. The dual wet disc clutch used in the lower unit delivers smooth shifting and quiet DPS operation. This propulsion package offers enhanced fuel efficiency, more range, and planing speeds as low as 14 knots. Customizable LED light accents in the 7 Marine engines sync with accent lights aboard the 38LS, creating a cohesive look and style. To experience this exciting propulsion package aboard a 38LS, visit your local factory authorized Tiara Sport dealer today.